The remainder of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial till 95 factorial divided by 15. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 6 factorial is 5 factorial into 6, 7 factorial is 6 factorial into 7, and so on. I'm writing like this because when I divide by 15, I know that somewhere along the line, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, somewhere along the line, the factorials will become multiples of 15. And if you think about it, 15 is 3 into 5. There's a 3 into 5 in the sequence, it becomes a multiple of 15. 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 factorial is a multiple of 15. This number is 15k. This number 15k into 6 is 15k into 6 into 7. So all the numbers from 5 factorial onwards, 5 factorial and beyond, all of these are multiples of 15. So if I divide them by 15, remainder will be 0. And so 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial till 95 factorial, all of them are multiples of 15. So when you add all of them and divide by 15, remainder is 0. So I simply don't have to worry about it. For finding remainder by 15, I just need to worry about these 4 numbers. 1, 2, 6, 24. Add them 30, 33. 33 divided by 15, remainder is 3. Done.